Hey guys, it's Allison here, and this is for week one, discussion board one, and this one is about a writing and learning objective that includes both a content and a literacy standard that can be measured. And for mine, I've been working my lesson plan on an 8th grade math class, and the lesson that I pulled from for my learning map was systems of equations. So our lesson for right now is going to be learning systems of equations. At the end of our lesson, we will analyze and solve pairs of simultaneous linear equations, understand that solutions to a system of two linear equations in two variables correspond to points of intersection of their graphs because points of intersection satisfy both equations simultaneously, and also solve systems of two linear equations in two variables algebraically, and estimate solutions by graphing the equations, and solve simple cases by inspection. So by the end of the lesson, students will be able to graph two linear equations on the same y and x axes. They'll be able to identify a solution of the system of equation after graphing, and also they will be able to write linear equations that express real-world situations. The learning objective so students will be able to independently interpret the solution of the system of equations by formulating two linear equations on the same y and x axes on a graph with the support of their notes that they have taken and placed in notebooks, and their accuracy will be measured by exit tickets, questioning, whole class group work, and in the end a quiz or a test. The big why for knowing this information is knowing how to solve systems of equations helps us financially. Real-world situations include figuring out income over time, calculating mileage rates, predicting profit, or figuring out which items are sold cheapest at certain stores. So this is beneficial for budgeting and trying to get your finances in order. If you're trying to save money shopping in bulk, does Sam's Club offer it cheaper than Costco? Or vice versa? Will I be able to buy more of this product at Party City or Walmart? So those kind of real-world situations, knowing how to do systems of equations, solve equations, will help financially. Also, scientists and engineers use systems of equations in their building designs, understanding speeds, distances, and time. So if you ever want to work in an airplane tower, you have to understand systems of equations. You have to understand your linear equations, because it's going to help you as a, I don't know what they're called, airline talker. Oh man. But it'll support you so that way you can measure the rate of speed two planes are going, and the route they should be taking so that they don't run into each other. So they're not going to crash into each other and it will just all be bad news bears, right? Um, so that's all I have for right now, and I hope I did this right. But alright, thank you for watching and have a great night.